Hello everybody, welcome to Lyle's Friday podcast. I've missed you the last couple of weeks, but I have some interesting video that I want to share with you. So, a couple of weeks ago, Steve, myself, Dr. Ray, my son, and a couple other people from the shop all made their way over to Sebring International Raceway to go have 2 days of driver instruction at speed on the track. Now, right over here, you can see our beautiful C&S Corvettes Sebring car. But it still doesn't have an engine, so that car didn't go to Sebring. What did go to Sebring was our 2003 Z06 with 244,000 miles on it, and my son's little BMW Z4. Now, they both had a great time. Both cars did amazing. Both cars had zero brakes when they were all done, but nothing broke. Everybody had a good time, and we all can't wait to go back and do it again. So I have some video that I shot from outside the car, in the car, just to give you a montage, a little idea of what that day felt like. And hopefully one day you guys can come join us out there as we're going to get more and more involved in what's going on in club racing out at Sebring. So enjoy this little 2-minute video, and I look forward to getting your comments and seeing what you have to tell me about it. Have a good weekend.